second gear. Let's make some noise and show love. Luke Dolan's in the house, 3.5 stories up, 80 feet out. And I want you guys to take a look at that big landing right there. One more time, say hello to Luke Dolan. We're going to bring out your third rider, and I want you guys to pay attention to this. If you've seen freestyle moto anywhere in the world, it probably has to do with this guy right here. The owner-operator of KSFMX shows, he is the KS of those shows. Doing it for Parts Canada, fueled by Monster Energy, out here throwing down for Nitro Circus. Let's give a big warm welcome to Keith Sayers. Keith Sayers is in the house. Coming down for 3.5 stories up, 80 feet out. He's on the ground again. One more time. Let's get ready to say hello to Brody Wilson. Brody Wilson's in the house. 3.5 stories up, 80 feet out. He's on the ground now. Somebody make some noise for Brody Wilson. Keith Sayers, watch the mic and body. Let's go for it. Yes, I think he's teasing you. I said, where's my loudest right side fan? Where's my loudest left side fan? Here we go. Luke Dolan coming down the runway. Watch the mic and body. Check this out. Rocking in. Only thing keeping the locked in. The tip of this force fully extended. Right here in the cliffhanger. 3.5 stories up. Still about the fresh CDK here. Idiot heart attack. So completely vertical. Spin the legs in the position. For the idiot heart attack. That was for my right side. Give me both. Off the back to the left side. Floating above it. Left side and right side. Let's go. Here we go. Yes, KOD straight up and down. Locking it in. The KOD straight up and down for us. Looking on the runway. Here comes Luke Dolan. Watch the mic and body. Looking at you guys. He moved you guys right side. That was for you right side. Double grab standing right next to you guys. Rocking it in. I see you guys with your phones. Check this out right here. Yes, left side, that was for you guys. Taking that shoulder, locking it in. 80 heart attack, 80 no last row. Look at this. Yo, double grab for both sides, both sides. Come on, let's get this party started. It's not too late. It is Vegas. Let's go, let's party. Nitro Circus out, coming your way non-stop action. Look at Keith Sayers. Use Indian Air for my left side crew, making noise. Right side, let me hear my right side, make some noise. Come on, right side. Watch the mic and body, here we go. Yes, that's for you, right side. You super know that, flip with the mic out. Strong with it now, so you guys can get the cool photos and videos. Yes, that's one for you guys. The oxygen, the right hand reaching that grab and left through. Who's gonna be louder, left side or right side? That's for both right side and left side. The holding grab off the bike, floating above the bike. To double grab back in. Who's having a good time with the Nitro Circus crew? You guys having a good time? Here we go. Non-stop action for you. Look at this. Here comes Keith. I see you guys smiling. Some of you guys feel the affection of that. It's a party in Vegas, right? Who's out there dancing? Luke saw you guys dancing. He's out there throwing it down for us. 3.5 stories in the air. KOC, so big, his body's arching over the opposite direction. Make some noise, does a huge KOD for you. Yes, triple, that's the bigger to go. Big noise for this. Okay, we're at about 96, 97%. I want to bring this one up to 100%. Left side, right side, you know it's good. Okay, we're hovering at about 100%. Our voices are warmed up. We have this weird chill for some reason. Well, that chill is because you're watching stuff like this. We know what we're doing. Our voices are warmed up. Who's going to be the loudest side now? The boys are cracking the throttle. You guys are making noise for backflips. Let's see just how loud you can get them. Turn up backflip like Keith Sayers. Locking it in. Turn the mic to the side. 3.5 stories up. Luke Dolan always says, tell him to go as loud as possible so I can go as big as possible every time. So let's make some noise and see how big it goes. No-handed flip, holding the no-handed flip as long as possible. Right past the dragonfly in the sky. Here comes Willie Hill. Indian air backflip, kicking the legs of the Indian air backflip. If you want to go bigger. Brody Wilson with the Cordova flip. Yes, double variations. You can tell by the actions they are wanting you guys to tear the roof off been close. Final show here in Sema. Since you guys are making all the noise for one rider at the end of the time, who wants to put 4 riders in the air? You guys want to put 4 riders in the air? Next side, 4 riders in the air. All right, here we go. We're going to line up. I'm going to do a noise for your riders. Here we go. You guys made the noise. 4 riders in the sky. How many of you guys want to keep 4 riders in the sky? You guys ready? I can't hear you, Sema. Who wants to keep 4 riders in the sky? How about 4 riders in the sky? We close the gap and we do bigger tricks. Come on, Sema. Where's my party animals that you guys came to see Nitro Circus? We're throwing down for you. Here comes your riders. Make the noise. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. You gotta fight for your right to party. We're partying right now. Who wants to keep 4 riders in the sky? You guys want to do it? 4 riders in the sky. This is gonna be your final jump here at Sema. This is the final jump at Sema. I need 100% of you guys making noise. 4 in the sky, closing the gap, we're adding backflips. Come on, let's rattle the sky. In 3, 2, 1, rattle the sky, Sema. If you guys are on the fence, put your hands out on the fence. Give you guys high five. Give yourself a big round of applause for hanging out and going for a ride, Nitro Circus style. 2 sayers, who's Dermot, and listen, your Nitro Circus riders. Yes. Pretty good time hanging out in the field. You guys here at Sema. We'll see you guys next year. We're off to the next stop. For all you guys have the cool photos and videos, make sure you guys tag us at Nitro Circus. Tag us to see with your cool photos and videos. We will see you guys next time at next stop. Throw down all the action.